Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to search for a card on the Alt app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and search for a card using the Alt app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, let's go ahead and install the Alt app. Then in the upper right hand corner, we're going to go ahead and search for a card. So let's take for example a Nidoking from 2002. So click on search and then it's going to show you different types of the Nidoking card. So we're going to click on the first one, and then once you scroll down, it's going to give you the population report as far as which ones are PSA 10s, which ones are PSA 9s, etc. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and search for a card on the Alt app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.